tire from a four-wheel wheelbarrow. Both bearings are out. That will be repaired. All right, this is Oscar. Over there is Jim. I'm going to show you about this wheelbarrow. Okay, we got bearings, two bearings that came out. Put some oil on it. I put some heat on this to expand the nut on the shaft. It's got some thread lock on it. There it is. Okay. Okay, and then there's some bearings there that we'll get off. Okay, we're going to continue our shaft repair. These are two bearing races that have been completely destroyed from this tire. If I have to, I'll go get a bearing remover. That up on it. Just take an old crescent wrench. Gonna go for some parts. Home repair. Here goes our walk to the hardware store. My wife Ernie and my little baby. If I can't keep up with them, they'll make it. Slow and steady wins the race now. Used to be really fast, and I used to be really quick and hard worker, but since I hurt my back, two, three, four in a row, four in a row. Silence. Okay, this is Oscar walking to the hardware store. That's Ace Hardware. It's only about a quarter mile. Had to stop one time for about 5 minutes, and then a minute in another spot. It's only less than a quarter mile. Anyway, here's Ace Hardware. We gotta find bearings.
Bearings?
Yeah. Are you the guy that asked about bearings?
Bearings are going to be back in hardware in 22.
Should back, where do you say the bearings were? Aisle 22, bearings. Okay, bearings, shaft collars. Okay. All bearings. There's your bearing. Here we go. So they call them radial bearings. 440 each. $4.40 each. Okay, yeah, wheelbarrow bearings. Talk about that later. All right, we're out of here. Okay, we'll go ahead and back home after we got the bearings and the studs. Let's go. This is the route. Okay, crossing a busy street with a man, a woman, and a child. Here's a street this way. Looks like it's clear now to the left. Slowly make our move. Wait. Wait, ready? Come on! He's the one that's, thank you.
Okay, so we're gonna go down there.
Okay, we'll see you, sweetheart.
That is always upset.
See you in a bit. Okay, I gotta go home and put these bearings in.
Enjoy the day.
Have Jimbo. Have Jimbo help put the bearings in. Okay, so see you later. Short walk. Gonna have to take a break at the top of the hill. Got my stupid leg, left leg especially. The right leg that's numbing when I sit down gets better when I walk. The left one, it acts up on walking and on bending over. So it's like 15 minutes max on this, 30 minutes max, 15 minutes max on that. Anyway, let's get some dogs in on this. Let's see if they're going to attack. Yeah, they're friendly enough with a fence. Hey Jimbo!
Yeah.
I'm back with the bearings. Hey, I got the materials. I got the bearings at Ace Hardware. I got the bearings. First of all, show and tell. Oops.
Cool.
It's a 5/8 shaft. We're going to pop those on. Changing out some bearings. You want to find something that will sit around the edge of that perfectly, that you could tap that in. Good socket will do that every time. Okay, so let's just put that in there. It's already been cleaned. So we're going to stick that in there like that. It's got a shoulder on it. Okay, that's one down. Inspect that, make sure it's tight. Next bearing. It's already been cleaned. It's got to be started properly. Okay. 2 bearings replaced. All right. Installation of this wheel. We'll put a little oil on there. So yeah, it's more of a WD-40. Pop down quite easily now. Yeah, you can see it sliding down really easy. A blunt-ended screwdriver. Okay, so we put the nut on there. Bearings are already greased. Nice new bearings. Okay, there it is. All right, Jimbo, that's it. We got the four-wheel wheelbarrow in order.